part in killing 8 members of the Roden and Gilley families in one night 7.5 years ago. Pike County jury convicted his oldest son, George IV, on all counts last November. His youngest son, Jake, and wife, Angela, already pleaded guilty to their parts in the crimes and testified against George and would be expected to do the same in Billy's trial. Defense lawyer Caitlin Stevens today cited a U.S. Supreme Court case surrounding the Enron fraud trial 13 years ago. She argued the Enron case creates a possible standard of presumed prejudice in rare circumstances. She said the pretrial publicity and small size of Pike County makes it impossible to seat another jury after George IV's trial. But Special Prosecutor Angela Canepa cited Ohio state law requiring courts to try and seat a jury before moving a case.
Your Honor, the Supreme Court has held that there are cases in limited circumstances wherein presumed prejudice exists, such that any attempt to seat a jury would be done so in vain. This, Your Honor, is what we have here with Mr. Wagner's case, a rare, limited case.
There is no crystal ball, for any of us, for the court, for the state, for the defense to say whether or not we will ultimately be able to seat a jury. Having been through this in this county, I feel confident that we can. But this is why the Ohio Supreme Court has said that the best approach is to attempt to seat the jury for all those reasons.
Visiting Judge R. Alan Corbin said he would issue a written decision in a timely manner, making it his #1 priority. In other big news from the hearing today, we now have a trial date for Billy's trial. It is set for May 6th of 2024 and scheduled for 8 weeks. But remember, that's what was originally scheduled for George's trial last fall, and that case lasted nearly 12 weeks. Live in Waverly, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.
A long trial there indeed, James. Thank you so much. If the judge rules for the defense, it would then be up to the Ohio Supreme Court to pick a new venue, but legal precedent says it would probably have to be a similar venue to Pike County.
You can always find our stories here on YouTube, but go ahead and tap subscribe. That way you're always in the know.